We're going to do 6 single crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 chains. We will need a 7th chain for a turning chain, so we do 1 more. Let's turn it over and count the ridges on the back, so we're going to work into the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's the 7th. So you're going to work into the 2nd chain from the hook, so the 2nd ridge, insert the hook underneath the ridge, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and you're going to pull through both loops on the hook. So insert under that ridge, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. Insert hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both, all the way to the end of the row. So we can count the stitch posts at the front as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can count the V's on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Don't count your loop that goes on the hook. Do 1 more chain for a turning chain. You're going to turn your work. So you're going to work into the last single crochet you made. Skip the chain you just did. That's your turning chain. Insert under both parts of the V. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through.